Hello everybody, Martin Moncayo here, the e-commerce underdog. Beautiful day at Ancon, Pacific Ocean behind me, enjoying the last days of 2020, preparing myself for 2020. And today I want to talk about resilience, or as we call it in my city, Aguante. So what is resilience? What is Aguante? Those words mean having patience, being disciplined, trusting the process, believing in yourself, even though you don't see immediate results, trusting in your capability, trusting in the actions that you're taking, that you're doing every day. That's having Aguante, that's resilience. When you start online, when you start any new project, you know, it doesn't matter if it's a fitness project, if it's a business, if it's a new venture, maybe you start a new job, you're trying to learn a new skill. At the beginning, you are not going to get much results because you are new at that, okay? And the success that you are going to have is a line like this, very steady, with no much results that you can show for all the work that you're doing. And it's in those moments where you have to have faith in yourself, where you have to have resilience, aguante, to really know that you are taking the right actions, that you know that you are going in the right direction, okay? Because that's not easy. Many people try something new for a week, for 2 weeks, they don't see results, even 1 month, 2 months, 3 months. If you really think about that, that is a really short period of time. You cannot become a doctor, you cannot become a dentist, you cannot become a successful businessman in 3 months. You cannot master a new skill and be a professional and try to compete with people who have been practicing, learning, developing that skill for 5 years, 10 years. That's ridiculous if you think about it, but I don't know why society has pressured us that we have to get results immediately, and they are wrong, and you don't have to get yourself into that trap. You have to really understand that in order to see results at anything that you want to do, if it's a new skill, a new venture, anything, you have to give it time, and you have to put in the work. You have to really try to make your best in order to get the results you want. So for all the people out there who are trying to start online or who are trying to learn a new skill, I want to tell you to be patient, to trust in your process, and to, you know, put every single day the actions that you need to take that are going to get you to where you want to be. Always start with the end in mind, okay? What are the things that you have to do every day to achieve X? That's the mentality. And you know, at the beginning, I am almost done with the 90-day video challenge, but when I was starting out, I didn't know if I was going to be able to make it. Then the days go by, and I've been able to post every single day a video for almost 3 months now that the challenge is going to be over. But I'm happy because I'm starting to see results, I'm starting to see my developing, I feel more confident in front of a camera, I'm getting results, and that shows up because of all the work. So my recommendation is that if you're started, give it time, 6 months to a year, or work until you get the results. Because if you quit too fast, you are not going to know what you can be able to achieve. Okay, that's the message I wanted to transmit to you guys. Hope you guys enjoy this video and enjoy the views I have right in my back. I'm doing exercise 8 a.m. today. And if you want to start online, you want to learn funnels, email marketing, I want to recommend you a 4-day free training that I set up on my website with my mentor, Sebastian Gomez. It covers all that, content creation. There is a lot of value in this program. Link in the description. And with nothing more to say, remember, keep moving, keep grinding, keep making this happen. And I'll see you in the next one.